Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to walk through how to create SSH account, set up and use the SSH Custom app. If you're new, subscribe our channel. Let's get started. First, we create SSH SSL account. Simply open your device browser and search SSH SSL in search results. Click official website link. You reach website homepage. On the homepage, click upper right corner Manu button. To expand the Manu list, click SSH SSL. You have reached server locations page. Choose your desired location and click it. New page is open. You have reached server creation page. Simply fill any username and password. Fill Reksha. Click create account button. In few countdown server create successfully. Copy host, username, password, port in your clipboard for use in SSH Custom app. Now make sure you have updated SSH Custom app if you don't download it from Play Store. Now simply open SSH Custom app homepage, click upper left side hamburger icon. To expand the page, click profile button. New page is open. We have SSH account, so we just fill SSH details in the server page. First, profile name, write SSH paste, host, username, password, port use 80 or 443, which you have copied from website. Once add all data correctly, click save button. Our SSH profile is ready to use. Then click checkbox to check SSH profile, then go back home page. Simply click radio button to connect fast speed internet connection.